Saw your question on discussion board. Your boat leaves a harbor right here at the origin. This be east to north. Leaves at angle of north 50 degrees east. So this angle in here would be 50 degrees. Travels 125 miles. So how far is it, east and north of the harbor? So if this angle is 50, this angle will be 90 minus 50 or 40. Then you can use your true trig functions to find, I label these A and B. The sine of this angle will be opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of 40 degrees would equal B over 125. Here's sine, here's the angle, here's the opposite, and here's the hypotenuse. Similarly, cosine of an angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine would be A over 125. The angle's 40 degrees. Here I multiply each side by 125, same thing here. So B, the vertical, the distance north would be 125 times sine of 40, which is a little over 80 miles. A would be 125 times cosine of 40. That'd be the distance due east. It's 95.76 miles. Hope that helps.